Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we are going to see that how to get free without copyrighted songs musics for your YouTube videos. So as we are going to see that how to get free songs without copyright and we are going to use it for YouTube videos. I hope you already have a YouTube channel. Now if you have a YouTube channel, if you log in into YouTube, you can see YouTube Studio. Go to this YouTube Studio, and after going to YouTube Studio you can see audio library. Just click on this audio library. Now as you can see in this audio library you can find musics, a lot of music available which is free and without copyright. There are about 1800 music music audio available, 1800 audio, and there are sound effects also, which you can see about 364 sound effect. If I play it, let's say, you can just search if you want a particular sound. Now you can download this easily. Just click on this download option and it will get downloaded. You can open it and you can also hear the sound. You can hear the sound like this. So that is generally you can get about 1800 music for free and 364 sound effects for free. So you can download it. Now to use it you can just cross check with over here licensing option. So for some audio attribution is required. You just need to cite that in your video. For many of this, citation or attribution is not required. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.